Good morning, students. In last class, we have seen up to question number 2 of exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Today we will see question number 3. What information has been given in question number 3? You see it. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Means ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. A, B, C. Now, in which B, E and C of our altitude drawn to equals B, E. B is an altitude and CF is also an altitude. This now what we have to do are drawn to equal respectively so that the altitudes are equal. Now what we have to prove that BE equals to CF. This is altitude, this is 90 degree. Now listen that here triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, means this side and this sides are equal, means this angle will be equals to this angle, means A1 now A2 consider. So here given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. To prove, what we have to prove? BE equals to CF. What we have to prove? We have to prove CF. Now let us consider, since AB equals to AC, means angle A1 will be equals to angle A2. To improve, what we will write? Consider you the triangle. Consider triangle BC. This is BCE. Here in triangle BC, this is angle A2 and this is 90 degree. And consider triangle BFC. Now BFC, this is A1, this is A1, A2 and this is 90 degree. Now when you will see triangle BEC and BFC, you will get BC common and angle this is equals to this and this will be equals to this 90 degree. Angle F will be what we will have common? BC equals A1 will be equals to A2 and 90 will be angle E equals to angle F. So in triangle BEC and triangle BFC, we have what we have? See, first BC equals to BC common side and angle A1 equals to angle A2. Why? AB equals to AC and angle E equals to angle F, each 90 degree. Now see side, angle side by SAS congruency, triangle BEC congruent to triangle BFC. By CPCT, what will be? BE equals to CF. Proof. We have proved. Now we will move on. Question number 4. What is question number 4? See what information has been given in question number 4. See it. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitude B and CF two sides are equal. So that triangle AB and ACF are congruent. Triangle AB and ACF are congruent, and AB equals to AC, that is ABC in isosceles triangle. So this is a ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Now what it is given that B and CF are equal. BE, this is altitude and this is also altitude, which are equal. Now so this is equal 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Now so what is given? Given you can write BE equals to CF. What? BE equals to CF. Now to prove, what you have to prove? First, triangle ABE. ABE congruent to triangle ACF, and second, AB equals to AC. That triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Now see, first you see the triangle ABE and ACF. Now see the triangle ABE, this is ABE and ACF. This is ABE and ACF. In this triangle BE equals to CF, and angle A is common, and angle E equals to angle FY. Both are 90 degree. So in proof, what you will write? Take triangle, in triangle AB, in triangle AB and in triangle ACF, we have what we have? First, AB equals to CF, BE equals to CF. From where? It is given in the question. What? It is given in the question that BE equals to CF. Now angle A will be common in both sides. Common angle. When you will see triangle ABE and ACF, this angle is common in both the triangles. So angle A equals to angle A common. Now angle F, angle E equals to angle F, that is each 90 degree. What? Each 90 degree. So what will happen? Now see, side angle. So by ASA congruency theorem, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Now what we have done here? We have proved triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Now by CPCT, what will be equal? By CPCT, the sides of triangle ABE and AC of side triangle ACF will be equal. So by CPCT, what we will have? By CPCT, AB equals to AC. Means when two sides of a triangle are equal, then in that case we know that that triangle is isosceles triangle. So hence triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. We have proved. Now we have done question number 3 and question number 4, that is opposite to each other. What? When you will see question number 3 and question number 4, both question are converse of them. In question number 3 you have to prove that BE equals to CF, but in question number 4 it is given BE equals to CF and you have to prove the sides. Now coming to question number 5. Question number 5, when you will see question number 5, what information has been given in question number 5? See, question number 5, triangle ABC and DBC are isosceles triangle and on the same base. So this is the figure BC. and triangle ABC. So triangle ABC and another triangle DBC. This is DBC. D. This is A. Now what we have to prove? ABC is, so this side equals to this side, this side. Now what is given? Given, you write. First thing you write the given. What is given? Given is triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangle. What? Isosceles triangle. Now to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ABD equals to angle ACD. We have to prove this. So now see, proof. What we have? ABC is isosceles triangle. When ABC is isosceles triangle, so this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? The property of isosceles triangle says that when a triangle is when opposite of equal sides, the angle will be equals. So here angle ABC will be equals to what we will have here in, you write, in triangle ABC we have AB equals to AC. What we have? We have triangle ABC equals to, in triangle ABC we have AB equals to AC. So this will imply angle ABC. Angle ABC equals to angle ACB. What? ACB. Consider one. This is point number 1. Similarly, when you will come in triangle DBC, DB equals to DC. So opposite angle will be equal. So I am marking by red marker. So this angle will be equal. So what you will write? In triangle DBC. In triangle DBC, we have DB equals to DC. What? DB equals to DC. This will imply angle DBC equals to angle DCB. Now this angle is equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle. When we will add these angle and these angle and these angle and these angle will give equals. So adding, what you say that adding equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 we get. What we will get? Angle ABC plus angle DBC equals to angle ACB plus angle DCB. ABC and DBC. You will add, you will get this angle. Similarly, ACB, ACB plus DCB, you will get this. So this angle is ABD and this angle is ACD. So what we get? Angle ABD equals to angle ACD. What we want to prove? We have proved already. So ABD equals to angle ACD. So we have proved question number 5. Now we will move on question number 6. What is question number 6? You see it. Question number 6. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. ABC. This is A, B, C. Isosceles triangle AB equals to AC. Now BA. BA is produced to D. This is D. And this is joined to C. What? This is joined to C. Such that AD equals to AB. Now this side is equals to this side. Now, so that BCD is angle 90 degree. So what is given? Given you write triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is AB equals to AC and AB equals to AD. That is second point. So from here what we can conclude that AB equals to AC equals to AD. This is true. Now to prove. What is to prove? BCD equals to 90 degree. What? BCD equals to 90 degree. Now see how we will prove. See, first of all, in proof, see triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have AB equals to AC, means A1 equals to A2. What we will have? A1 equals to A2. Right? A1 equals to A2. This is point number 3. Now see triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, AC equals to AD. In triangle, now what we will see? In triangle ACD. See the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, AC equals to AD. Now mention here A3. What? A3 and A4. So what we will have? In triangle ACD, AC equals to AD. Then we have what we have? A3 equals to angle A4. That is 4. Now A2 plus A3. Now add. Now A2 plus A3 will be equals to angle A1 plus angle A4. Now what is angle A2? Give the name. Angle ACB plus A3 is angle ACD equals to angle A1 is angle ABC plus angle 4 is ADC. So ACB plus ACD will give equals to angle BCD. BCD equals to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Now consider this is point number 5. Now see in triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD we have what we will have? Angle ABC plus angle ADC plus angle BCD equals to 180 degree. Now in the place of angle ABC and ADC we can write angle BCD. BCD plus angle BCD equals to 180. Twice BCD equals to 180. So angle BCD will be 90 degree. What we want to prove? We want to prove angle BCD equal angle BCD is the right angle. So 90 degree. The value of angle BCD is 90 degree. So we have proved. Now we will move on next question, that is question number 7. See what is question number 7. Question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A equals to 90. ABC is a right angle triangle. A, B, C is a right triangle. Angle A equals to 90 and AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. Find angle B and C. See, in this question, we have to find angle B equals to angle C. Solution you see, in triangle ABC, AC equals to AB, then what we will have, angle B equals to angle C. Angle B equals to C. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. 90 plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. So in the place of angle C, you can write angle B equals to 180 minus 90. Twice angle B equals to 90. Angle B equals to 90 upon 2, that is 45. So what you will get, angle B equals to angle C equals to 45 degree. Now moving on to last question. What is the last question? C. So that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees. What? All angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree, that we have to prove. So consider a triangle ABC. Consider a triangle ABC. A, B, C, in which AB equals to BC, AB equals to BC, BC equals to AC. Now, given, right, what is given? Given is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. To prove C, angle A1, A2, A3, angle A1 equals to A2 equals to A3 equals to 60 degree. Now proof. In proof you see, first we are considering that in triangle ABC, AB equals to BC. Then what we will have? Angle A1 equals to A2. Consider in triangle ABC, AB equals to BC. Then we have, what we will have? Angle A1 equals to A3. Consider point number 1. Similarly, now you consider in triangle ABC, AC equals to BC. AC equals to BC. Now considering AC equals to BC, then we have, what we have, then when we will consider AC equals to BC, then we will have equal angle A1 equals to A2. A1 equals to A2. Consider point number 2. Now from 1 and 2, what you will get? Angle A1 equals to A2 equals to A3. So from 1 and 2 we get, what we get? angle A1 equals to A2 equals to A3, consider that is equals to x degree. Now angle A1 plus A2 plus A3 equals to 180 degree. X plus x equals to 180. 3x equals to 180. X equals to 60 degree. What we have to prove? That all angles are 60 degree. That we have proved. Thank you. Have a nice day.